Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for April. This month's theme is Anything is Possible, and it marks the beginning of the Ultimate Beauty membership where the best of Ipsy and Boxycharm have been brought together under Ipsy. The Glam bag includes 5 personalized deluxe beauty samples for $13 a month, with insider access to unbeatable deals. Boxycharm by Ipsy includes 5 full-size products for $28 a month with insider access to buzzworthy beauty brands. First, let's open the Glam bag. Inside, we have the Benefit Porefessional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser, Hey Honey Come Clean Facial Scrub, Shaina Be Miami Eyeshadow Duo, Shades by Shan, the Gel Eyeliner, and the RealHer I Am Beautiful Mascara. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy, formerly known as Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recovery Body Butter, Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick, Ciate London Lip Mask, Drunk Elephant Bloos Rosi Drops, and the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and cleansing with the Benefit Good Cleanup Cleanser. I already have the full-size version of this, so I'm just using the one that I already own instead of opening up a whole new bottle. It lathers into a bubbly foam and makes my pores look and feel purified. Next, I'm using the Hey Honey Come Clean Facial Scrub. This is a propolis and Dead Sea Salt facial scrub that gently exfoliates. It smells super good like fruit, and the salt crystals are actually pretty large, so a little goes a long way. My skin feels so soft and smooth after that scrub, so now let's try out the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. This is a color-correcting eye cream stick with 2 forms of vitamin C and banana powder-inspired pigments. It swatches pretty yellow, so let's see how it works for my fair skin. It claims to neutralize dark circles, brighten, and hydrate. It definitely gives a brightening effect, and I think it would be great for anyone with a skin tone darker than me. After that, I'm testing out the Ciate Lip Mask. This is in collaboration with Smiley. It's super nourishing and reminds me a lot of the Laneige lip mask. Next, I'm using the Drunk Elephant Bloos Rosi Drops. I really love how all Drunk Elephant products include a sample of another one of their products, so I'm going to go ahead and use that Lala Retro Whipped Cream to moisturize before testing out the Rosi Drops. It's like a little bonus product to try. I just love it. That moisturizer was so rich and hydrating. Now we can go ahead and test out the Rosi Drops. This is a liquid blush. It's actually more pigmented than I was expecting. I love how it's so illuminating. It gives a nice rosy tint to the face without being overpowering. Now let's take a look at the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. This is a portable mini eyeshadow palette with 6 shades. There are 8 color variations of this palette, and you can snap any 2 palettes together to create a larger one. This one is called Smoky, and here are the swatches. First, I'm picking up the matte shade called That Deep. I'm applying this to my crease. This is actually my first time trying out Fenty eyeshadows. Next, I'm grabbing the matte shade called Chestnuts. I'm using this to blend out what I just applied. It's a really dry formula, so it's not the easiest to blend. Now I'm dipping into the glittery shade called Second Date. I'm applying this to my lid. It's so pretty and reminds me of a galaxy. Finally, I'm dipping into the shimmery shade called You Up. I'm applying this to my inner corner. Next, I'm using the Shades by Shan Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Brown Sugar, which is a dark brown color. It claims to be smudge resistant and long wearing. It's really creamy. Finally, I'm applying the RealHer I Am Beautiful Mascara. It has an oversized brush to give more length and volume. I'm usually not a fan of oversized brushes, but this one actually isn't too large or clumpy. Here's the finished look using products from both the April Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on the new membership in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.